3.49 meters. Vertical, over or under roofs or projection not readily accessible to pedestrian, 4.99 meters. Over or under balconies, porches, decks, and roofs readily accessible to pedestrian, 5.29 meters. Over roofs, ramps, decks, and loading docks accessible to trucks, 6.79 meters. 2. Design chimneys, billboards, radio and television antennas, flagpoles, and flag banners, tank, and others installation not classified as building or bridges. A. Horizontal 1. To proportion that are readily accessible to pedestrian, 3.49 meters. To proportion that are not readily accessible to pedestrian, 3.49 meters. B. Vertical 1. Over or under catwalks and other surface upon which personal walk, 5.29 meters. In 350 kV DC line to ground meters, building a horizontal 1 to walls, projection, unguarded windows, 5.58 meters. To unguarded windows, 5.58 meters. To balconies and areas readily accessible to pedestrian, 5.58 meters. B. Vertical 1 over or under roofs or projection that readily accessible to pedestrian, 7.08 meters. Over or under balconies, porches, decks, and roofs readily accessible to pedestrian, 7.38 meters. Over roof, ramps, decks, and including decks accessible to vehicles but not subject to traffic, 7.38 meters. Over roofs, ramps, decks, and loading docks accessible to trucks, 7.88 meters. Sign, chimneys, billboard, radio, and television antennas, flagpoles and flags, banners are tanks and other installation not classified as building or bridges. 1. Horizontal, the proportion that are readily accessible to pedestrian, 5.58 meters. To proportion that are not readily accessible to pedestrian, 5.58 meters. Vertical or over under catwalks and other surface upon which personal walks, 7.38 meters. We have a power line clearance. The pictures illustrate required the clearance distance between non-hazardous rigid structures like building and power line conductors to ensure safety. In this left picture shows two adjacent buildings and a power line conductor running near them, and highlights the clearance needed from the wall projection, example TV antenna on the roof, and guarded windows with limited access or special protective measure to the conductor. Picture to or right shows a power line conductor running alongside a single specifically indicates the clearance needed from an unguarded window, like a window that can be accessed easily, and guarded to the conductor. In short, diagrams specify the minimum safe distance required between various parts of a structure, like walls, windows, projections, and overhead power lines to prevent accidents and maintain electrical safety. Then we have power line clearance, accessible area. This diagram illustrates the two specific scenarios for maintaining safe clearance between power line conductor and parts of building. that are accessible to pedestrians. Picture 1 in left, balconies and accessible areas. Picture 2 or right, a conductor under roof projection. The diagram shows a conductor running horizontally beneath a roof or a structural projection. The clearance distance is measured vertically from the conductor to the lowest point of the roof or projection above level. This minimum distance prevents accidental contact from above or during structural maintenance on the roof. In short, the image demonstrates the required vertical clearance between power lines and areas where the people cannot present, such as balconies and the underside of the roof. Projection to ensure public safety and prevent electrical hazard. Power line clearance or inaccessible areas. This diagram illustrates the required vertical clearance between power line conductor and parts of the construction that are not readily accessible to pedestrians. Picture 1 on our left, conductor over roof. Figure 1, conductor over roofs not accessible to pedestrians. The diagram shows the power line conductor running above a roof. The clearance distance B is measured vertically over the conductor to the highest points of the roof. Since the roof is not easily accessible, this clearance can typically be smaller than clearance to inaccessible areas like a balcony. Picture 2 or in the right, conductor over inaccessible projection. Figure 1b, conductor over projection not accessible to pedestrian. Example, TV antenna. The program shows the conductor running above a projection on a building such as a TV antenna. The clearance distance B is measured vertically from the conductor to the top of the projection. This ensures safety for the instructor and maintenance coworker. Even though the projection itself is not pedestrian area. In short, the image demonstrates the necessary minimum vertical clearance B between power lines areas of the building, like roofs and projection, that are not intended pedestrian access, which generally shows for reduced clearance requirements compared to the accessible areas. Then we have vertical clearance over accessible areas. This picture illustrates the required vertical clearance between power line conductor and areas on a building that are readily accessible to pedestrians. Key features: scenario: power line conductor passes over areas like balconies, porches, decks, and roof where people can easily stand or walk. Clearance B: the vertical distance level B is the required minimum separation. Measurement: distance is measured from the lowest point to the conductor to the surface of the accessible area, like balcony, deck, etc., where a pedestrian will be standing. Purpose: the standard requires this clearance to be a relatively large to prevent accidental contact by individuals and allow for safe use to the accessible space. In short, the diagram shows the minimum safe vertical distance B that power line conductor must maintain when passing over any parts of a building that are accessible to people such as balcony or decks to ensure electrical safety. Then we have vertical clearance over vehicle areas. This picture illustrates the required vertical clearance between power line conductor and areas on a constructor that are accessible to vehicles but not large truck traffic. Picture 1 left, Show over rooftop parking decks. Scenario: the power line conductor passes over a roof or deck used for vehicle parking or accesses. Clearance B. The vertical distance labeled B is the required minimum separation. Measurement is measured from the lowest point to the conductor of the surface of the roof deck where vehicles are present. Purpose: the clearance must be sufficient to account for the height of vehicles and any occupants standing on them, like during maintenance or loading and unloading. Picture 2, right. Over ramps. Scenario: the power line conductor passes over a ramp accessible to vehicle. Clearance B. Vertical distance B is measured from the lowest point of the conductor to the surface of a ramp. Note: the text specifies this figure is areas accessible to vehicles but not subject to truck traffic, meaning the required clearance value will be based on the maximum height of non-truck vertical expected in that area. In short, the diagram shows the minimum safe vertical distance B the power line must maintain when passing over areas like rooftop parking decks and ramps where cars or light vehicles can access, ensuring safety by accounting for the vehicle height. Then we have vertical clearance over truck areas. This picture illustrates the required vertical clearance between power line and conductor and areas on a